Respect isn't something you chase, it's something you attract by the way you carry yourself when no one's watching. People can sense authenticity instantly. They know when you're real and when you're performing. If you want to gain the respect of everyone around you, start by becoming someone whose actions speak louder than any speech you could give. The world listens to confidence, but it bows to character. And character is built through small daily decisions that stack up over time. When you live in a way that aligns with your values, even when it's inconvenient, people see strength. They respect discipline, consistency, and the quiet power of someone who knows exactly who they are. One of the most powerful ways to earn respect is to be the person who listens with intention. We live in a world full of noise, interruptions, opinions, arguments, but the person who listens stands out like a calm voice in a crowded room. When you genuinely pay attention to others, when you don't rush to speak, when you actually hear what they're saying, they subconsciously place you above everyone else. Because listening shows patience, confidence, and emotional intelligence. It shows you're not threatened by silence. And the truth is, people respect those who don't need to dominate conversations to feel significant. Another major key is controlling your reactions. Respect grows when people see you stay composed in situations that would make others panic, lash out, or break down. Emotional control is a superpower because it signals self-mastery. When you respond instead of react, when you keep your cool under pressure, you instantly rise above the chaos. People trust calm people. They follow them, look up to them, and rely on them. You don't need to be cold or distant. You just need to show that you're not controlled by anger, fear, ego, or impulse. That level of stability earns respect without a single word. Boundaries are another massive factor. People respect you when you respect yourself. The person who can say, "No, I can't do that," or "That doesn't work for me," commands more respect than the person who says yes to everything out of fear of disappointing others. Boundaries tell the world you value your time, your energy, and your priorities. They tell people you're not desperate for approval. When you set boundaries calmly and consistently, people may push back at first, but eventually they adjust, and many will secretly admire you for having the courage they lack. Responsibility is another pillar. If you want respect, own your choices, own your mistakes, own your results. Nothing destroys respect faster than blaming others or making excuses. People admire those who step up. Leaders aren't perfect, they're accountable. When you say, "That's on me, I'll fix it," you gain trust. When you face problems head-on instead of hiding behind excuses, people see strength. And strength, especially the quiet kind, commands respect. Competence matters too. Be good at what you do. Put in the work, show effort, improve constantly. People respect skill because skill represents commitment, discipline, and focus. You don't need to be the most talented person in the room, you just need to be serious enough to keep improving. When others see your dedication, they naturally respect your work ethic. Don't brag about what you're capable of, let your performance speak on its own. Confidence backed by competence is magnetic. And don't underestimate your presence. The way you walk into a room, the energy you bring, the posture you hold, the confidence you express without a single word sets the tone for how people treat you. It's not arrogance, it's self-respect. People treat you the way you treat yourself, so show them that you deserve respect through how you stand, speak, move, and engage with the world. Finally, balance kindness with strength. Kindness without boundaries gets exploited. Strength without compassion pushes people away, but kindness with firmness, that combination is unstoppable. Treat people fairly, be generous when you can, show empathy, but never allow disrespect. When you're warm yet strong, approachable yet firm, humble yet confident, people naturally admire you. Respect isn't given, it's earned through consistency, authenticity, courage, emotional control, and the ability to stand tall in a world full of people who shrink themselves to fit in. When you live with integrity and carry yourself with quiet confidence, you won't have to ask for respect. People will offer it before you even speak. Enjoyed this? Smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss the good stuff.